Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Teams meeting security and lobby settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the scheduled meeting. Click on the meeting to open its details. Look for the meeting options link within the meeting details. Click on meeting options to access settings for the meeting. Review the who can bypass the lobby section. Select the preferred option from the drop-down menu. You can choose to allow everyone, people in your organization, or specific people only. Check the Who Can Present section next. Decide if everyone, people in your organization, or only specific people should have presentation rights. Scroll down to find the meeting security options. Ensure that the meeting is set to be secure with a unique meeting ID and password if necessary. Take note of the Allow Recordings setting. If you want to allow recordings, ensure this option is enabled. Verify the background effects setting to control what participants can use during the meeting. Review any other relevant settings such as chat permissions. After making adjustments, save your changes to apply the new settings. Consider sending a reminder to participants about security measures in place. Test the settings using a practice meeting if possible. After the meeting, review the participant list to ensure all attendees were authorized. Adjust future meeting settings based on your experience and feedback. This ensures a secure environment for all participants in your Microsoft Teams meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.